Make una break the papa leg. Make una break the sister hand and the brother hand. When I don't do pass like that, oh.
I don't hear you. I don't hear. I go break everything.
I will break everything. You do them very greedy. If I break everything, if I go back the house, what thing I go break? Why you think? Why be say it like me say only you they demolish? I don't like. Stop there! Stop there! Look. See the guy will stop you for here. See the guy will stop you for here. Make with the run because say the waka. You no get elder for house. You don't say you no get elder for house and I no get picture of elder from our street. Behave, oh. Guy, you know me.
You said you know me.
You be Bible where I go know you. I be church. I no need to know you now. Who be this one where I go need to know? Now you need to know me. Guy, listen, if I dey ask you question, make you the answer direct. Guy, you know me.
As you don't know me, I don't know you.
Yes.
Let them move when we talk. Let them move.
See, as I look you so, I don't say I say like you never travel come up for this country before. For those of us who they travel well, I'll tell you one thing how they talk. We'll say see Morocco, see Spain. You know what they did their middle? Debt. You see that debt where they did their middle? Now be this, me. I see this place where it is so, now my house. You come visit debt. God will punish you. God will punish you. Person said that should give you, God will punish her. You want cause rain? Oh, you want cause rain? You know for. Because I me get this anger. They hear me so. Guy, you need to do well. See how they look you since. They do anyhow. They do anyhow. They behave anyhow. No miss I no get you for mind. You don't say why don't they observe you. Now today be judgment day for you now. You see? You know do well. You. My own cousin, Michael Jackson, you dey follow and they share initial. Great man like that. Me wey say everybody for this ghetto no say Michael Jackson, MJ, now my cousin, I dey pose. I know they let anybody know. Maduka Jackson, that be my name, MJ too. Maduka Jackson, that be my name, we dey share the same surname. You wey say you come from nowhere, nobody know you. If they talk say your name na MJ. Nobody MJ you be. Na JD. God go point that pastor wey give you that name. You dey craze, change that name. Change that name. That one aside. Now listen, come tell me. Why they live lucky life for inside ghetto? You look all the ghetto when they finish. It can't be this one on Israel. You know say that Israel be the greatest ghetto. You know say that Israel you dey. You can't behave like Egyptian. Only you every day. Only you gonna chop shawarma for inside this ghetto. They shawarma they oppress people. You know say my guy. The other day he use meat to oppress you. Do how they pay me pass and this my boy. They oppress everything because they say shawarma in front of their house. You don't buy shawarma, they chop her for in front. You want me to go rob? Why they oppress her with shawarma? You know they oppress you?
They oppress me to shawarma.
If they oppress you now, I don't like her. God, will you be safe? I want to know you safe. Why could they oppress somebody with shawarma on this ghetto? Why could they oppress? God, why you for come enter this Israel? Why you for come enter this? Guy, come smell this thing, oh. Smell her. This one no be plastic. The air na confirm na machine. I dey my hand so. What did they worry you? I'll bring it down. I go say they rearrange you as it is so.
I know they like people where they yarn too much.
Oh, I be microphone be that now, be? I be microphone.
Like saying I with you be that. Loudspeaker. Make I drop something for you. The only animal we lion no fit kill. And the one we come when he don't chop belly full.
Hunger, now I go kill that lion. God, listen, hunger, now I go kill that lion. You see that lion, if God won't catch that lion, make person like me, they there. That animal where that lion live, me, I go chop him. Come, this guy, they irritate me. Man, I bring this guy down for me. Yes! Last. Let's see. Let's see. Last. Hey, babe, I'm gonna go. See him. If you see him now, if you observe him, if you rush go buy shawarma, you may just buy that shawarma, they chop. You see this place? You see this road? Where they see so? This road now na GRA for you, no pass here again. You hear me? I'll light you without fuel.
Hey, stop there!
Bros, after you now you.
Wetin una get? Just dey demonstrate.
Bros, we no get anything. Now this talent we take to survive, bros.
Which talent?
Right hand kuma to down. Can't you know that bullion van? Akwema no masani no babuzi a breathing fan. Hey, you still be my senior man, huh? Akwema never my senior man, huh?
See this thing what you do now. God will punish you. If God no punish you for this thing what you do now, I'll vex for God. I'll vex. If you know as I hate you now, I know talk like this. I don't hate you now. Morning I hate you now. Afternoon I hate you now. Night I hate you now.
I tell you.
Una so na get talent. Eh? That's why they parade myself for this Israel. People will get talent pass. Which kind of talent una get? Eh? Every Sunday people cook rice. Una they'll give rice. They dash you that money. See Monday, the other Monday, they dash you akara. Dash you akara for nothing. What they'll give you akara? And now they talk about get talent. They use talent, they collect revenue. Now they offer local government. See pattern. Who tell us to get talent? Who tell us to get talent pass? Una know me? You know where I be? Come guy, bring that radio and come.
Bring that mic.
We are listening. Ichori mam gebe ma, ogen no street ma, ogen no wood ma. Owe gate yinsi no tilokoko. You can't stop me, Makanobago. Obago. Now I'm finally here. Hello. Say hello to the man of the year. Hello.
Hello.
Now I'm finally here. Hello. Say hello to the man of the year.
Hello.
Can't take this thing and come off my hand.
Mogus.
See, I not be the rapper so see this one. What did you say you they do?
What's the model I do?
Model. Oh, wasted years. Let's say your mother alive. Now me go see her na. Without your hair. Your talent na barbing salon.
I tell you.
Make the barb. I dey see vision for you na barber you be. Because the model not wear if you like. You get say you just get where person go waka reach you just the waka they go. If it's no the model, you just waka. You waka from Aba enter Lagos. Let's see the Chris. They talk talent. Nobody model, na modeler. Call, listen. I don't say if na reach us, now tell the other people. I'm not tell them. Na me lighter. If na misbehave, I will light you now without fuel. I know how I fit do one.
I tell you.
All the talent all of una get the six una together. The six of una I get her. I dey act. I be act well. Now I'm act una. I dey rap. I dey rap well. I dey model well. You understand? I dey dance finish. Football. Now for this is nobody will know. I dey tap. In fact, everything I do, I dey do one. Now get my own talent. Now get this one. Now can you do this one? Who get talent first? Who get talent? Now you. Let's upload these people when they come off my front.
Raise your hand up before I go send you like Bluetooth ancestors.
You know people they beg me to come sing. Because they don't be pay my money, that make me not be musician. They be pay me. If one of just enough, I'll give you. Ask you face, and I mean first and start. That the show key. Now don't they play for me before. Fino. The first mic pay for a lot, I me give her. Understand? You know when people don't promote. Allow me all of them. Am I? If they see me that they twirling now, because I know what is my talent. Nobody fit pay me.
I tell you.
They don't fit sign me. Me when I get Jay-Z number. Because I know they like show myself for this Israel. Jay-Z they call me. Don't go punish you now. Now they chop back around and they chop up off. Alright, come up for here. Hey, delete it! Come up for here.
I'm selling like Bluetooth going to ancestors. Rubbish.
You shocking the pay.
Bros me, I had the craze.
Bring that money. You go one reason.
Look at the go.
No, if I wait, I say make you dey go.
Bros me now.
Reason they no worry.
That's so you reason now.
Come back later, just go. Go and White, Fino, Soft, JJ, Small Pepper. You follow them. Come. We say now become kidnappers. Who give una guns? God go punish the person who give una guns. God go punish the person who punish una.
You say now you be lighter, Abi?
Point of correction. My name na Amaduka Jackson, aka Lighter.
Today I go light you. Make you feel the pains as it be when you light person. Today na judgment day for you.
Fire judgment. I be like altar girl for your eye. Today na execution day.
Ta! You be bloody you. Every pretender for Israel, they must go overboard for the ship to sail and for make better people they live their life.
Sometimes I go dey wonder how person go clean the yard, dust and finish, enter inside church, go. How you see am now?
Tough, make I answer that question. No sir, I senior you. Say a person dey road, he start to dey purge. If the shit remains small, make it fall for your hands. If na church toilet dey close, you enter church.
Don't shut up! If I slap you, your name, after you got from lighter, your name go turn from lighter to firewood. Uncle, no try me again if I talk. This is why I can't joke.
Una serious?
No, look us well. You be like say with a joke. Pack well, oh.
I did for your naming ceremony. I did for your naming ceremony. The people they born you, I did here.
So you pass here and let me say you come there.
After much, Lighter Kedin came in last. Lighter Sino Kwede Bajan came in last. Huh? See, I'm shooting down the seat. Lighter never agree, I cannot breathe. Every day by day, you let me meet. But see, my tenant is very risky. Now I'm balling with my fans, who might come over Colombia and Dabutano, Pusimum, Tell Roger. I'm going to go to Sinamuka, when the book of Bellabel, American Cosan, Nakon Fana Palu, when the Buram Tyson, the Temo Bom Tagaru. Fearless nigga with a big crown. When the manager gave him bubble to down, Koramakana Bomba, Macadam Tam Tam, Subways, the Kamias, Bom.
See, Simona, see, we are Israelites. We are Israelites. Now this Israel we all grow. Now this Israel they born all of us. Now I know say na this serious. Now I know say na this serious. I think na joke since. Mona listen. Mona see this thing. When I talk say I get all of my talent, I no lie. I sabi dance. I sabi play ball. I sabi act film. I sabi rap. I be model naturally. Then I sabi make people laugh. I be comedian too. But the thing be say, I beg, I won't beg now. I beg the person wait teach you now this new way. Whoever the person they go punish her. And I know why. I get all this talent, but still I don't use them. I don't want to make this kind of mistake where I make. Gone a bad thing now.
That is too late. It's too late. Then I don't believe you. Tiro me felici. So first come na body ma go cause you see. And all you hear right now they put my mouth and you see. This one is for you. This one is for you. My leg. My leg.
Lighter, turn no turn. For the eyes that see today, man, not see tomorrow. The evil you fail to conquer today, Matanana come back and destroy you. Hey, for the say a day without observation is a day without victory. You hear me? Lighter, I mean look finish. She own me. A woman model like me, tell me I go to learn how to pop. Hey, me, Lighter, for this Israel will be everybody that appreciate me like that. But only you, now just enter against me like that.
Lighter. This leg don't go.
I mean that they call JJ the best footballer for the whole Israel.
Now you can play ball, man.
It dey pain me say when Arsenal go sign me, you no go there to watch me.
Now me it's no pepper. This one out for my sister Deborah. You remember her? And all the plenty girls for this Israel where you don't rape finish. Today, I go dance you too.
I beg, when I leave that bed.
Action film.
Bros, look me.
Now me be the actor.
Now you sabi act fast. Nobody dey argue am.
For this whole ghetto, for this whole Israel, now only my name be soft. Another person no fit get mind answer soft. Try am now. You see as it be, It's so unfortunate to you. Say the time where me now go become Nollywood star, where the star go they act, everybody go know me. You will not be there to see my movies.
I won't watch your film. I think go back.
Shut up! Shut up! The channel if I talk. And I be now. I go give you this granite where they say if they go heaven or hell, you go they chop and for road the waka they go. I know say you know if you go for heaven. See your hairstyle, God no go even allow am. I won't make you go hell. Make those girls where they say you rape, kill all of them. They go there, they go give because now they don't senior you for hell. They don't get rank. So I be now make you go meet them.
Oh! Ambulance. Remember I carry go hospital ambulance. I don't die already. 5 bullets. That I don't receive now. I think God make you And if I die, una will miss me. Israel will miss me.
Da! Who will miss you? For this Israel, your death a celebration for Israel. You open mouth say you get all our talent. Okay, fine. Look, agree say you get the talent. What do you take and do? Become robber. With talent where Baba God they give you, you turn assassin. They terrorize people for Israel. They keep people in here. And they call you lighter, they enter your brain.
That devil go punish devil. That devil na do.
For everybody where you don't damage for this Israel, rest in pieces.